Welcome to Image Presto. In today's video, we are going to go over the Smart Prompt feature, which uses AI to creatively enhance your prompts inside the image generation tool. To start, go ahead and click on your image generation tool. Before we get started, let's take a look at our settings on the left-hand side. We are going to be working in the Flux Pro mode, making sure that our Smart Prompt is turned on. We're going to generate 2 images at a time. I'm going to start by typing in a cute kitten. This time, I would like to choose a style, so I'm going to go with analog film. Let's go ahead and generate our image. It generated 2 images of a cute kitten. Now with the Smart Prompt turned on, it uses AI to enhance your written prompt. It will add details the AI thinks will make your image look better. Let's go ahead and try it with the Smart Prompt turned off. Keeping all the settings the same, let's go ahead and generate our image. With the Smart Prompt turned off, the AI will not modify your prompt. When you compare the two, you will notice that with the actual prompt turned on, it added details. This is great for beginners who want a little bit more creativity or flair in their prompts.